We're making something really cool today. Look at this! So I got a bunch of these little mirror tile things for my birthday because I wanted to make a disco ball. It's not focusing, hello. But it now has a butt. All the things fell off, so I'm gonna have to use actual glue. This has adhesive backing on it, but it's not very adhesive. Gravity is not my friend. And I also had gotten these hats a few months ago because I'm gonna be making a crochet granny square covered hat with these. And then since I had so many of them, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna cover one in freaking disco ball. It looks so good. But these are kind of not on properly either with the adhesive. They're slightly falling off, so I might have to just use actual glue for that as well. So I'm gonna finish this today probably because it doesn't take very long, and then I'll maybe put the rest of my put the tiles back onto my disco ball, and then maybe I'll start the crochet cowboy hat. I don't know. I'm so excited about this. This is so hard because it's like, I don't know, going over these corners, obviously you can't go one way or the other, but I'm hoping it'll look okay from like a little bit of a distance. I don't think this is something someone would be able to wear because these things would get knocked off really easy. But I'm making it for my sister's tattoo studio in hopes that I will forever get free tattoos from her. That's what the crochet hat's for her too, so I don't know. This is gonna be really hard too. I guess I'm doing all the hard bits first so that the rest is just like fun and easy. I just take it off of this packet and they come in like it's all on a one sticker sheet thing. So you can just rip them off like a few rows at a time or something, and then you can either just stick them on like that so it's faster, or you have to take them off individually and put them on individually. The stickiness is actually pretty good for getting it on, but it's not really enough, so I've been using this glue, which is really excessive, I feel like, for this project. It's not focusing. I think the mirrors are confusing my camera, but it's what I got, and I don't want to use hot glue because then I have to be near a plug-in and it's not going to be as comfy. Yeah, this is how much further I got in one sitting. I don't want to do any more right now. So also I'm like not feeling as great about it anymore because yeah, it looked great in the beginning, but as I'm like meeting all of these over each other, it's starting to look a little more wonky. Plus we're good. I was hoping that it could be put on the wall like this, just like hanging up this way, but now I'm like, the top piece is so messy looking that I don't know if you could do that. I don't know, I guess if it's from afar you can't really tell how bad it is, question mark, but it does look good-ish on this one side, so maybe it'll just have to like sit up, but then you'll see that underneath isn't covered. I don't really know. Maybe you can like store it with it like on a shelf, but like kind of something underneath the back of it so it like tips up a bit. I'll see. It's getting really heavy. So I actually went ahead and finished it like a few minutes after saying I was taking a break. It was a short break. I'm still not feeling great about some parts of it, but it's okay. It's okay. I feel like I should try it on. This is like helmet level protection. This will protect you from the aliens. It actually doesn't fit. This is a really big hat. I never actually tried them on before. Yeehaw! I'm already on to my next cowboy hat, which is going to be shush! Dogs, my goodness. I'm being inspired by this, but in no way am I going to make mine that cool, because I can't be bothered. Because look at those. But I'll probably just do like the regular, or I guess those aren't even regular. I'll try to do like the flowers, make it look a little cooler. I'm gonna use my handwritten cinnamon swirl cakes, something that I got for Christmas, and I'm just going to do like one level and then one color, and then pull it until it gets to the next one, so that I don't have to change or like think about the color changes. It changes for me, but I don't think it changes in a nice way. I don't know what I'm doing. We'll see. I finished my first Starburst one. It looks awesome and ended up being the exact right size. I'm using a 5mm hook and it just worked. I don't know what to say. I'm a genius, or just very lucky. I don't really like making granny squares, so I don't know what to do now. I don't really want to continue, but we'll see. We'll maybe do one more. I have done 4 granny squares whilst sitting here, and I think I'm done. I honestly, like, looking at this picture back and forth, it makes me feel bad about it because this is so like, how saturated, and this is like so not. But I feel like if someone looked at this without looking at this, they'd be like, Oh, so colorful, so nice. So I'm just gonna stop looking at it. Also, I got lazy and I didn't want to cut off and change color whenever this changed color too soon or too late. So, hahaha, it's whatever. Also, I'm realizing how much extra work this is gonna be than I originally planned on it being, because this is gonna be a lot of granny squares. Because I just have, well, not even, because I was gonna have to go down here. So I just have, what, not even an eighth, maybe a 16th of the work done after spending, what, an hour or two on here? I don't know. Sadness. I think I'm gonna make a goal of making 3 granny squares a day, and then it'll be done in, I'm not doing that math. But also, I feel like I'm gonna use this entire thing, and then I'm gonna run out of all the colors that I've been color coordinating, which is also sad. We shall see. I lied again and sat here and did a lot more. I would say I'm maybe like halfway done now. Maybe a third of the way. It's just that I have so many other things that I not want to do, but want to get done. But I want to do those less than I don't want to do these granny squares. So it's been a while since we talked last, and last time I did nothing because I got distracted or whatever. I meant to sit down and finish the hat, and then I don't know what happened. So we're still in the same spot. This is all everything that I did the first day. So I guess I'm gonna finish the last 3 or 4 pieces. I'll get oriented, figure out how many more I need to make because I forget. I think 4 pieces, 3.5 pieces, and then I probably won't put them together. I'm thinking I want to work on some of my Christmas gifts for a little bit before sewing them together, because I'm obviously always going to find a way to procrastinate sewing. It is just in my blood. Also, I've been watching Week Hero. I feel like I'm gonna binge it all the rest today because my friend recommended it and it's so good. And also, I was very confused, spoiler alert, this little cootie patootie who I've been like, calling cootie patootie is older than me. Okay, I have all of my pieces done now. I highly recommend using one of these because then all the colors go together, because like, why wouldn't they go together? Why would they say them like that if they don't go together? You don't have to think too much. It's very nice. I have a bunch of pieces left that I'm just gonna use to sew them together. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna sew, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna like take off pieces at a time, sew these 2 together, and then sew this to the top of here, and just like hope, pray that everything fits around in the end. Finished quite a bit of it. It's actually going a lot faster than I thought, so I did all this in one sitting. Yes, this is gonna be a watermelon, so I need to put seeds on here, but kid, that looks kind of stupid. I just need some moral support while I attempt. Oh, you know what? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, am I a genius? I don't know, it's a bit tight, so it looks a little bit wonky. But this is my first time, so you know. And it ain't half bad, y'all. Look at that. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hide all the ends though. I've been tying them together as I come to them, hoping that I won't have to weave in very much, but I don't know. And I won't even have to use glue. Wow, I'm impressed with myself. I'm gonna have to take this off, maybe make a crochet version. But if I make a crochet version, I feel like I need to make a crochet version now. Maybe I won't make a crochet version. I'll just leave this on it, because why not? Less work for me. Just noticed a mistake here, and now I'm sad, but it's fine. Woohoo! Oh, it's so cute! I did, in fact, binge Week Hero all yesterday, and needless to say, I did not at all see where that was going. I'm not feeling great about it. Don't watch it. I hate when things aren't predictable. I mean, it's good, but no. Did not see that coming. What the freak? Anyway, I didn't lie this time. I actually did not do any more, unfortunately. And I did, in fact, start working on another Christmas gift. Even though I have a few on the go right now, I decided to start a new one. I'm not sick. I just woke up. I didn't just wake up, but it's the first time I'm talking. Anyway, I'm gonna try to force myself to sew at least this brim part together. Maybe leave the underneath for later. I'm gonna watch some Potato Lab because yes, it sucks, but it's not sad yet. I don't know. You never know with K-dramas, I suppose, but I don't know what they're gonna do with the next season. I don't think I want to watch the next season of Week Hero. My goodness. I also don't know why I always so casually just leave my darning needle like next to me, which is like, put it somewhere that I can find it again. Why did I do that? Why do I always do this? Is that it? The shiny light helped me. Oh no, that's plastic. Well, you know what? Everything sucks. I finished sewing together the top part of the hat. I have to now weave in my ends before putting it on top, because then once I put it on top and then start sewing the other parts on the bottom, I feel like I probably won't be able to take it off again. Also, look, it's a beautiful summer hat if you don't want to end up putting it on your it's been a few days since I've worked on this. I honestly, like, trying to get myself to sew things together takes so long, and then I start and I'm like, wow, that was easy. Why did it take me so long? But we do this again and again, round and round. That's how my life is. That was a lot of ends, but it didn't take very long because I'm not too concerned about them like coming out and poking through, because it's not like it's gonna be worn and be moving around. It's gonna be set on top of the hat. So hopefully it's all good. I don't know. Now I think the best line of action is to just sew them around the outside and then put it on the hat to sew it together, like each piece together. Does that make sense? I'll also have to weave in the ends of these pieces before doing the final on hat thing. Ugh. I have finished almost. So I got it all the way around. I've got all the ends woven in. I put these through, and then I'm probably gonna put the thing back on. I lost the thing. I don't know where it went, but once I find it, I will put it back on, the little tightener thing. But now, since it's a little loose around here, I'm just gonna weave through all of this with a single stringy string and then pull it and then weave that in, and hopefully that'll make it look better. I finished, and it looks huge, more like a sombrero than a cowboy hat, but and plus I made this kind of, I don't know, it's a bit weird. It'd be nice if I could like glue it in here, but I don't want to do that. I didn't think it's necessary, especially when you're wearing it. Obviously you won't see that. It actually makes the hat fit better because, okay, maybe not. But I finished. Look, look, look. So beautiful. And then I am very proud of my cowboy hats. Oh, oh, okay. Need to be careful. If you're wanting to make it, I would recommend making these sides like smaller, like make this bigger, this smaller. For these squares, make it more like a, what is it called? Like a trapezoid instead of a square. But other than that, I'm pretty impressed that this worked out. No, I did not put the seeds on here. I'm gonna pretend it's just a polka dot now because I don't want to.